Hi, I'm Dane Griffiths. I go to Project SEARCH.
My name is Andrew Worksby, and I'm on internship 3, National Centre for Mental Health.
My name is Tia Desmond, and I'm in Project SEARCH.
I'm Mackenzie, and I'm doing Research and Innovation Service.
My name's Louis, and my internship is at the Porter's Lodge in the School of Engineering.
Hello, Christians.
I'm Samantha, and I'm currently in internship 3. In an admin assistant in student doctoral.
My name is Thomas, and I'm currently in Mackenzie House.
I am Enzo. My internship is in Cardiff Vale Project SEARCH.
This is Artie training. We come here every morning before work, and after we finish work, we learn skills to use in work.
It's nice people to meet, and I definitely enjoy the grounds work. If people have autism, problems with work, understanding work, it's the best place to find it in.
I think that motivates me a lot. A lot more development and confidence.
It's helped me actually get ready to go to an interview. I think I get a bit more confident.
I think it's really good, and it's helped me a lot with my confidence. I hope to get a full-time job, either doing reception work or admin.
I think my internship is quite interesting and helps me boost confidence.
If it wasn't for Project SEARCH, I wouldn't do nothing. I've learned to plan the day and to be more organised and independent.
I've become more confident with other people. It is worth it for experience.
I've learned more skills and how a workplace really is.
They would always print out ones and they would just throw them away afterwards. So I said, why don't you laminate them? And then you could end up having them to be used whenever there was a course on which happened to have a lot, which always had a buffet.
The difference between them from when they first came and to now, wouldn't speak to each other, wouldn't make eye contact with each other most of the time, afraid to approach myself, Kerry or Geraint. It's been wonderful. They're now going to work as independent people. They are solving problems by themselves. They're just melding with their own team. It's been amazing, actually.